Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is part 2 of my full system conversion video. This is the 8-Track unit sent in by Gordon in Cambridge, Idaho, out of a 67 GTO. The last video was the radio demonstration. This time it's going to be the 8-Track. And so let's go ahead and pop in some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, make sure we got both speakers. Okay, change tracks a bunch of times.
Foolish little dreamer, why can't you It's such a wonderful world.
Blank spot there.
When it's wrong
Okay, we're coming up on an automatic track change, so we'll make sure it does that. And there's our automatic track change.
But I don't care.
Okay, that sounds just a touch slow. I'm gonna kick up the speed a bit. That's better. Alrighty, pull the tape. And on this model, when I do a conversion, the speed adjustment is right through that window. It's a tiny little brass screw that you have to adjust. If you ever have to adjust the speed, you're able to do that. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is part 2 of the full system conversion. The next video will be both the radio and 8-Track working together properly, and that takes a little bit of doing before I can do that video because I have to make some adjustments and all that stuff. So, thanks for watching and listening, guys. If you need to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below before calling me with a bunch of questions, because once you've been to the website and printed a work order, that will answer at least 95% of your questions, because that's what it's designed to do, and it keeps me on the bench where the work is being done. It keeps me off the phone where work does not get done. So thanks again. We'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned for part 3.